Alright, let's talk about the new MacBook Air as fast as possible. We've got a few items to cover with this one, so let's go over the raw stats. And these are all the raw stats. I'll let you read them for a couple seconds. And here are the ones that I want to talk about. First, let's discuss pricing. The MacBook Air is Apple's standard laptop that is typically perfect for students because of its cost effectiveness. But the M2 version starts at, strangely, $1,200, a whole $200 more than usual. However, the M1 MacBook Air is still available for purchase, meaning there's still a clear distinction between the two. We'll discuss this a little more later. And with that price, you do get an acceptable form factor, especially with that midnight color. Man, it looks good. But one thing to note is that there is now a notch on the screen. I personally don't really like it, but it does add for more screen real estate, which we all benefit from. So if you're cool with it, then I'm cool with it. Next, connectivity, which is actually not terrible. But after what Apple did with the MacBook Pros, I expect a bit more. I mean, can we get a micro SD card slot, please? But hold on, Apple did something that's actually kind of cool for once. Check out this charger. Not only does it come in the box, but it has 2 ports. Yeah, I know, I'm kind of praising the company for being what we expect it to be, which is consumer friendly, but that's actually nice for people if you want to charge your phone with your laptop. You only need 1 brick. But sadly though, that's only with the upgraded version. So there went being consumer friendly. But to get back on track, the main reason why this laptop is even being released, M2. Does it live up to expectations? Well, I wish I can give you a more decisive answer, but probably yes. Apple boasts a significant increase in speed over M1, but that's to be proven by reviewers once they get their hands on the product to test it. Until then, all I can reasonably say is that, yeah, it's most definitely faster. Next, this is a quick one, but storage. Come on, 256 gigabytes for $1,200. Apple, please give more to people. We need more. Now, for battery life, Apple is claiming 18 hours, which, if actually true, is just incredible. For a laptop that will dominate college campuses, a battery life like that will be invaluable to students, myself included. And lastly, Apple finally upgraded the camera to 1080p, which will be great for your Zoom calls, etc. So should you purchase this device? Well, I can't give you a great answer on this just yet, because the reviewers haven't gotten this product to test it. But given Apple's track record of having great products, including the MacBook Air, if you have the money and this fits your needs, go for it. However, let's discuss those needs real quick, because this laptop sits right between the 13-inch MacBook Pro, which now supports the M2 chip, and also the M1 MacBook Air, which is a whole $200 cheaper. So just to streamline this, because I don't have all the numbers, if you have work that requires an extremely high-performing CPU, or you do a lot of multitasking, the M2 MacBook Air will be your friend. But if you have to complete assignments that are even more intense than that, such as with photo or video editing, then the M2 MacBook Pro might be a better option for you. Overall though, I'd say that the M2 MacBook Air is a fine addition to the MacBook family, even though I wish it was $100 cheaper. But ultimately, all of this is your decision based on your preferences. Don't just watch my video on this. I've linked many more down in the description to view at your discretion. My name is Seeroos. It's spelled like Cyrus, pronounced like Seerooster, just take out the ter. Thank you very much for watching, good luck with your purchase, and have a wonderful day.